meron tayong story
From Reddit.
connected to love languages. And I will read it.
Okay.
Or ko na mag-isa.
Normal ba na walang love language ang isang tao? Yung boyfriend ko kasi parang wala. And it made me very anxious. We've been together for almost a year. Though yung 5 months dito, break kami. Pero I don't remember him saying personally na he loves me. Ang I love you niya lang ay through text. Though sa mga labas namin, siya naman gumagastos. Pero nagsishare ako kasi di ako sanay na ganun. Like for example, if he pays for the food, I'll pay for our coffee. Hindi din siya maregalo na tao. Acts of service? Not sure. Pero pinagluto naman niya ako. I tried talking to him about Jan, pero tinawanan lang ako. And sinabi na bakit daw need pa ng ganun. Dami ko naman daw alam. Okay. So, ano ang opinion nyo doon?
Love trip to, pare.
Love mo pa yung alam.
Love trip.
Ano yung love language mo? Dami mong alam.
Gusto ko maging trauma yung boyfriend niya.
Okay.
I feel like pag kung how is this guy as a person, either take it or leave it. Kung gusto mo yung the way he was responding to you, then keep him. But if hindi, iwan mo na. It's just gonna make you confused and it's just gonna mess up with your mind. I mean, girl, there's so many more out there.
I mean...
Yeah, ako if your partner isn't able to love you, like kung ano yung sinabi ni Cheska kanina, yung compromise, if your partner isn't able to love you the way you wanna be loved, like sabi niya dito, nag-I love you lang through text, hindi sa personal. Tapos, acts of service, di siya sigurado. Sabi niya, not sure. Tapos, yun. So parang if your partner can't love you the way you need to be loved, I think you're just not for each other.
Yeah.
Pero siguro, sinabi niya din dito sa last na nagtanong siya, she tried talking to him about it, pero tinawanan lang siya, dami niya daw alam. So, ibig sabihin, hindi din willing si partner na mag-adjust. So,
At ibig sabihin, hindi seryoso yung lalaki.
or hindi lang talaga sila for each other.
Oo, pwede din yun. Pwede din.
Parang na-OA yan siguro siya dun sa love language na yan. Siguro ganun.
It's so easy. It's so easy naman to pay for food It's so easy to ganito, ganyan.
Mas easier pa nga yung mag-I love you ka in person. Kung nagagawa mo naman through text, libre lang yun Hindi mo pa magawa. So, hindi talaga kayo.
Tsaka nag-try naman siya Kinausap niya, ganun. Hindi naman sa yung tipong bigla na lang na di ko nare-receive yung love na to, alis na ako. He tried naman. So, I guess it's fine. Kung ayaw mo na, hindi ayaw mo na. But, gaya yung sabi ni Cheska, if you can still like kaya mo naman, okay lang for you.
Or like, tanggap mo naman siya.
Kung sino siya.
Walang problema yun.
Because I feel like, guys, even if like you switch and, I don't know, never mind.
Kasi kahit,
Scratch that point.
Kasi yung ganung tao, kahit anong ipiga mo dyan, yun na kasi yun So parang,
pero, okay.
hindi, like, ang hirap din para mag-expect yung babae. Na parang...
Hold up.
Okay.
I get you. Pero iba kasi yung compromise sa settling. Like, dapat si ate girl,
Tama
dapat
naman.
mag-adjust si guy, tapos i-adjust din ni girl yung expectations niya na nag-I love you minsan, hindi naman palagi, pero nag-I love you minsan. Kung wala talaga, like, hindi talaga nag-a-adjust si guy, parang ang hirap naman if si girl lang yung kailangan na mag-accept na, hindi, wala ganyan kasi talaga siya pero mahal ko siya, so magstay na lang ako. Hindi ganun.
It's just unfair.
Yeah.
Unfair talaga na kapag ikaw na lang lagi and then parang how about me? Like
How about
ako,
her?
iniintindi kita yung mga kailangan mo. I'm trying to like really get to know you deeper so that I could like serve you better. But like, how about me? Diba? It's like a give and take sa relationship.
Minsan
Give and
kasi
take
talaga. Sorry De, joke lang.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating